This week's painting is to create a landscape inspired by the painting style of Tom Thomson. He was a Canadian artist who lived between the years 1877 and 1917. As one of Canada's best known and most loved artists, Thompson created some of the most iconic landscapes of his country. The landscape paintings of Tom Thompson are inspiring, for they depict nature in a poetic way while reflecting the artist's direct experience. Every one of his paintings show his deep love for nature. His landscapes are imaginative, for they were created through the eyes of love. They display certain mood that deals with human emotion. Colors in Thompson's landscapes are unique and exceptional. He creates a very distinctive color combination. His interest is in showing nature's moods, seasons, and weather changes. He reflects this in the stunning contrast that he creates between gentle background colors and vibrant, pure hues in the foreground. As a self-taught artist, Thompson paints without limitations of conventional artistic norm. His brushworks are bold and expressive. He uses broad strokes and a generous application of paint to capture the beauty and pure color of nature. He creates depth, movement, and light by using impasto painting technique. Thompson does not follow any style or art movement. His hypnotic landscapes originate from his knowledge of nature, not from being a superior artist. What makes his landscapes so inspiring is his depiction of the purity of nature. It is the way he places the viewer within the vastness of the wilderness. One can see from Thompson's images that he has intimacy and deep engagement with nature while painting. Thompson's inspiring landscapes reflect his meditative state. He enjoys the experience of pure solitude. He is not interested in having a company of either human or an animal. He wants to be engaged with nature and with himself. He is happy with the simple pleasures that nature offers him. He does not care about what others think about his art. He is after having a full life free from running after money. Thompson was born and raised into a large family of farmers in rural Ontario. He did some drawing and paintings at early age, but displayed no immediate artistic talent. He worked several jobs before attending a business college. Thompson started painting seriously when he was in his mid-30s. Within a period of 4 years, he produced about 400 oil paintings on small wood panels that he considered his sketches, and created 50 larger paintings on canvas in the small studio that he shared with an artist friend in Toronto. Every one of Thompson's works are inspiring landscapes depicting trees, lakes, rivers, and skies. Shortly before his 40th birthday, Tom Thompson went out paddling on Lake Canoe and disappeared for 8 days before a hiker found his body. Inspiring landscape paintings of Tom Thompson has had a great influence on Canadian art. His paintings have been offered at auction houses multiple times. The painting of Early Spring Canoe Lake was sold in 2009 for $2.6 million.